In this video, we are going to learn how to solve problems involving addition, subtraction, and multiplication of polynomials. Now, this is basically an introduction to polynomials. Now, after going through this video, you learn how to solve addition, subtraction, polynomials. So ensure you stay with me to the very end of this video. Okay, having done that, let's begin with addition and subtraction. So we are given p of x to be 7x to the power 5 minus 4x cubed, okay, plus 2x square minus 8x plus 3. And we are given p of x to be 4x to the power 5 minus 9x cubed, okay, plus 11x square plus 15x minus 7. So we are asked to find p of x plus p of x and p of x minus p of x. So let's begin with addition. So we're going to be putting in bracket 7x to the power 5 minus 4x cubed, okay, plus 2x square minus 8x plus 3 plus in bracket this number 1/2 4x to the power 5 minus 9x cubed plus 11x square plus 15x minus 7 on the bracket. So you do the addition. So if we do, then you have 7x to the power 5 minus 4x cubed plus 2x square minus 8x plus 3. So plus times everything in the bracket with the signs we made this. So we're going to have plus 4x to the power 5 minus 9x cubed plus 11x square plus 15x minus 7. So we do say collect like terms. So when we got like terms, we're going to have 7x to the power 5, okay, plus 4x to the power 5 minus 4x cubed minus 9x cubed, okay, plus 2x square, okay, plus 11x square, okay, minus 8x plus 15x plus 3 minus 7. So therefore p of x plus p of x will be, so when you simplify this, you're going to have 7x to the power 5 plus x to the power 5 is going to give us 11x to the power 5. So minus 4x cubed minus 9x cubed is going to give us minus 13x cubed. 2x square plus 11x square is going to give us plus 13x square, okay, minus 8x plus 15x is going to give us plus 7x, okay, 3 minus 7 gives us minus 4, and that will be the addition of the polynomials. So let's wipe this now and solve for subtraction. Okay, so for the subtraction, thus p of x minus q of x will be, so everything in bracket is going to be 7x to the power 5 minus 4x cubed, okay, plus 2x square minus 8x plus 3, okay, minus in bracket 4x to the power 5 minus 9x cubed plus 11x square plus 15x minus 7 on the bracket. So if simplify this, it's going to be 7x to the power 5 minus 4x cubed plus 2x square, okay, minus 8x plus 3. So this minus multiply fits in the bracket, so that means the signs will change. So we have minus times 4x to the power 5, we have minus 4x to the power 5, so minus times minus 9x cubed, we're going to have plus 9x cubed, okay, we have minus times plus 11x, so we're going to have minus 11x When minus times 15, I already have minus 15. Is minus times minus 7 have plus 7. So you collect like terms. You collect like terms, you are going to have 7x to the power 5 minus 4x to the power 5 minus 4x cubed, okay, plus 9x cubed, okay, then plus 2x square minus 11x square, okay, minus 8x minus 15x plus 3 plus 7. So therefore p of x minus q of x will be, so simplified is the most 7s to the power 5 minus x to the power 5. You are going to have 3x to the power 5, then minus 4x cubed plus 9x cubed. You're going to have plus 5x cubed, okay, 2 plus 2x squared minus 11x squared. You are going to have minus 9x squared, okay, minus 8x minus 15x. You're going to have minus 23x, then 3 plus 7 gives us 10 plus 10, and that will be the answer. So for the product, we have b of x equals 8x cubed, okay, minus 3x squared, and q of x, we have it to be 5x to the power 4 minus x squared plus 1. Okay, so we have to find p of x, q of x, that's the product. So it's going to be in bracket 8x cubed minus 3x squared in brackets, okay, multiply 5x to the power 4 minus x squared plus 1. So to simplify this, 8x cubed first of all times 5x to the power 4 minus x squared plus 1, okay, then minus 3x squared, we multiply 5x to the power 4 minus x squared plus 1. Okay, so when you simplify, we're going to have 8x cubed times 5x to the power. We're going to have 40x to the power 7. We add the powers 3 and 4. Then 8x cubed times minus x squared, we're going to have minus 8x to the power 5. Add the powers. 8x cubed times 1, we're going to have plus 8x cubed. Then you have minus 3x squared times 5x to the power 4. So you are going to have minus 15x to the power 6. Then minus 10x squared times minus x squared, you're going to have plus 3x to the power 4. The last time minus 10x squared times plus 1, you're going to have minus 3x squared. So finally, our answer will be, arranging them properly, going to be 40x to the power 7 minus 15x to the power 6, okay, minus 8x to the power 5, okay, plus 3x to the power 4, okay, plus 8x to the power 3, and minus 3x squared. And this will be our final answer. So guys, this is basically how you can solve problems involving addition, subtraction, and multiplication of polynomial. This is just an introduction to polynomial. And with this, we have come to the end of the class. I hope you learned something interesting.